Welcome to our beard trimmer showcase. Today, we'll explore the top beard trimmers available on Amazon. Discover how these tools can keep your beard looking sharp and well-groomed with ease and precision. Let's dive in. This smart trimmer uses memory settings to remember your preferred trimming lengths. It features a digital touch screen for easy control and a motorized comb with pictual length settings. The lithium battery offers up to 50 minutes of cordless use, making it suitable for tech-savvy users. Featuring a precision dial with pictual length settings, this trimmer ensures accurate beard and hair trimming. It includes lifetime sharp blades and a rechargeable battery that offers 50 minutes of runtime per hour of charge. It's perfect for those who want precise control over their grooming routine. This trimmer offers a precision 45-degree blade cutting system designed for quick, efficient hair and beard trimming. It includes 50 adjustable trim settings and comes with 3 comb attachments for versatility in styling. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during use. Known for its robust stainless steel build, this trimmer features a lithium-ion battery that provides up to 6 hours of runtime on a single charge. It comes with 3 individual guide combs for a wide range of trimming lengths, making it ideal for anyone looking for a durable, high-performance tool. This versatile, all-in-one trimmer offers some pieces for all your grooming needs. It's equipped with dual-cut technology for maximum precision and self-sharpening blades that last up to 5 years. The trimmer is cordless with up to 2 hours of runtime, making it perfect for detailed grooming.